Hello, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Nena Pratt, and today we are going to be taking these delicious russet potatoes and turning them into an even more delicious treat for your family. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. Today we're going to be making a heart-healthy recipe. These potatoes are going to come out tasting just like they came out of the fryer, with that crispy brown outside and that soft texture on the inside. Alright, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour this water into this bowl right here, because as we're cutting our potatoes, we want to drop them into this water so they can start soaking, and they're going to be nice and soft and moist on the inside. So that when we put them in the oven to cook them, we get that nice crisp exterior coating with that nice smooth moist interior of the potato. You're going to love these. Stay tuned. Fix to get going here. I'm going to start peeling some potatoes. So the next thing we want to do is dice this potato up into some really nice thick slices. What we're going to do is we're going to take this potato and we're going to just cut it in half. Makes it easier. Then we're going to cut it in half again. Alright, so now we've got 4 halves of this potato. But this is too big for a French fry. But it's almost getting to where we want it to be. So now we want to take this and cut it one more time. This is going to be the perfect size for your potato. Nice and thick, like a steak fry almost. What are we going to do with it? We're going to put it in this water and let that little guy start soaking. Your family, they are going to love these potatoes. The key to these French fries is the soaking them in water for 15 minutes before you put them in the oven. Now we're back. Our potatoes have soaked for 15 minutes. They're now ready to go onto the baking sheet. So let's get these little guys over here. Just really spread them out good. Now that we've got our potatoes on our baking sheet, we're going to drizzle olive oil on them. This olive oil is the key to helping them to get crispy on the edges. Next, we're going to use the salt out of the salt box here, and we're going to drizzle it all over these potatoes. I like to use a coarse salt because it gives a nice little texture. All right, now that they have olive oil on them and that they also have salt, we're going to take them over and put them in the oven and bake them for 30 to 40 minutes until they're crispy brown. I'm just finishing up. Our fries are out of the oven, and I'm just finishing up taking them off of the baking sheet and placing them in this wonderful bowl where I've mixed some mayonnaise and yellow mustard for a wonderful dipping sauce.